my side here is the Pantera Pico PC, the new era of desktop PCs. As you can see, it's very small, but it's also very powerful. Today, what I'm going to do is go over its features and capabilities. Let's dive in. So now let's take a look at the Pantera Pico PC's ports and buttons. On this side, you can see its power button, and on this side is its reset button. Here, you can see two USB ports, and right here, you can see its TF card slot read. Turning it around, you can see its DC input. Right here is its HDMI input. There are two more USB ports. And finally, here's its 3.5mm headphone jack. So now let's go over some of the specifications of the Pantera Pico PC. It can support up to 8GB of RAM, a 1TB SSD, dual-band Wi-Fi. It comes with Windows 10 and it's Windows 11 ready, and it can also support Linux and Ubuntu. In my hands right now are the Pantera Pico PC's accessories. Let me explain them. First of all, here is the desktop PC itself. Right here is its projector. Here is the portable keyboard. And finally, on the bottom, it's a 12-volt power supply. Altogether, these accessories enable you to be completely mobile and independent of a wall charger. You don't have to plug in to a power source from a wall outlet. You can just bring this 12-volt power supply anywhere you go. You'll have the ability to use your awesome mobile PC. If you'd like to learn more